This is a plane, paper airplane I call the Arrow. It's basically a dart style plane, which means it can go really far. It's a really great airplane for going long distances, really engages the children and amazes them. Once again, it's a really low cost, high engagement tool. You can make it, you can get the kids to make it, or you can make it together. You can also customize these with obviously colour and what have you. This is a really great plane to engage with the kids. Here's how to make it step by step.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.